Okay, now let's do some of the exercise related to the narration. I hope that you all students or all you all watching this video might have memorized or recite this person change, change, right? I think you should know. I While solving the problem of the exercise, I said me is object position, me reflexive is what? Right, myself. Us is objective, us subject is we, right? Okay, us possessive is our, like this you have to say. Okay, and tense also. And here first person is given, first person is changed according to the subject, second person change according to the object, third person no change. Said is given, said itself, said to is given, then told we use, right? And to remove the inverted comma, that we use if inverted comma inside the positive or negative sentences is given, then we use that to remove the inverted comma. If we can also use if or whether, if inside inverted comma there is a astronaut question or interrogative. And to remove inverted comma we use a WH word also, because if the WH word question is given inside the inverted comma, like this we do some of the exercise. Okay, then you feel very easy to solve the narration direct speech into the indirect speech. Let's see some of the exercise. Only I erase this one, not more. The question is like this. He said to me, I liked you. Like this the question. This one is called direct speech. In direct speech, look very carefully. Here is also a subject, verb, object, subject, said to, verb, me, object, right? Inside the inverted comma, here is also subject, verb, and object. First and very important, you keep in mind, okay? inside the inverted comma whatever the sentence word is given, we change. Inside the inverted comma, person change. Inside the inverted comma, tense change. Outside the inverted comma, no. Inside the inverted comma, we person change, we change tense. Again, inside the inverted comma, person change, tense. Okay? Again I say, inside the inverted comma, person change, tense. How it change? Person, how we change tense? How can we change? Again, okay, now solve. Direct speech, indirect speech. We write here, he, same we write, no change. Outside, he, said to is given, we use told. Said to is given, we change told. Then after me. To remove the inverted comma, what we use? Here is the inverted comma, and like this. Here is the inverted comma. To remove the inverted comma, what we use? Yes, that we use. That. I said that we use if inside there is a positive or negative sentence. This one is a positive sentence. That's why inverted comma. To remove inverted comma, we use that. Now, I is here. I is which person? First person, right? I is first person. Change according to the subject. Okay, where subject? Where is the subject that we change? Where is the subject that we change? I is the first person. That change according to the subject, right? I is the first person. We change according to the subject. What subject? Where is the subject? outside. This one is a called reported verb. Here is a subject. So he is subject, right? Me is obj object. If inside the inverted comma, if there is a given first person is changed according to the subject. First person is changed according to the subject. Second person is given according to the object. We have to clear it. First person change according to the subject. Second person is given, we change according to the object. How we change? Let's see. I is first person. First person is changed according to the subject. I is which position here? I is subject position. Means I is subject position, right? I is subject position. That's why we change. He also we change subject position. Means he subject is he. Subject is he. He subject is he. That's why we use he. Again, I is first person. We change according to the subject. I is here subject position. I is here subject position. That's why he also we change in subject position. That's why he subject is he. We write here he. Like is verb 2. Verb 2 is given. Then what we change? Verb 2 is here. Verb 2 is given. Had plus P3. Had P3 liked verb 3. Then you is here. You is second person change according to the object outside. This one is a subject, this one is a object, right? Now you is what position you here? What position? Subject position or object position? No. You is given at the last of the sentences. That's why you is object. You is object. Subject also you. Object also you. If began you is given, then it is subject position, right? You at the last is given, it is object position. That's why you, this one, you is in object position. Okay, you is second person, change according to the object. Object is here me. You is here in object position, right? You is here object position. Then me also we change according to the object, right? You is object position. That's why me also we change in object. So me object is me. Me object is me. And we use full stop. One example. I will give another example to make you understand. Don't worry. I will give at least 10 example. That's why you can understand it very well. Okay, this one is some of the students feel very difficult while changing, but it's not difficult. Another example. Same I write here. He said to me, comma inverted comma, you are helping your brother yourself. This question. This one is a question. He said to me, you are helping your brother yourself. You are helping your brother yourself. Okay, direct speech, then we change into the indirect speech. First, outside the inverted comma, here are also subject, verb, object. This one is a subject, this one is a verb, and this one is an object, right? This one is a subject, this one is an object. I have already said inside the inverted comma, first person is changed according to the subject. Second person is given, we change according to the object. Again I say, inside the inverted comma, subject is given, then first person is given, we change according to the subject, he. Okay, second person is given, we change according to the object, right? Let's see. He we write here he. Said to we write here told. Me we write here same. To remove inverted comma, what we use? That. Why? Because inside the inverted comma the sentence is positive. That's why we use here that. Now you here. You is which person? Yes, second person. You is second person. Second person is changed according to the object. Again I say, so first person is we change according to the subject. Second person we change according to the object. Never confuse. Third person no change. I will give third person example also. You is first person, sorry, second person. Second person is changed according to the object. This one is a clear, right? This one is a clear. You is second person. Second person we change according to the object. Object here me. Now you is what position? You position is what? You position means what? What position? Means you what position? This one is this one both. We should find out the position of it. You is what position? Subject position or object position? Subject position, right? Why? Because it is the beginning of the sentences. Last of the sentences it is object. Beginning of the sentences it is subject position, right? This one is a subject position. Means you is a subject position. Me also we change in subject. Me subject is what? Again I repeat. You is which person? Second person, right? Second person change according to the object, right? Okay, you clear it this one. Now you is what position? We should find out. Yes, you is in subject position. Means me we are changing. So me subject. Whatever inside the position, me object also we change same position. Means me subject is me, where me subject is I. So we write here I. I always capital I, right? So R here. So is MR is given. Then we change was where. We use was. Helping we use helping. Now your is here. Your which person? First person, second person, third person. Second person, right? Your is second person. Second person we change according to the object. Object is me here. Object is me. So your is here. Which position? Your is here. Where is it? Yes, your is here. P1 position. Your is P1 position. Means we change. This one is a P1 position. Means me also we change P1. Got it? What I mean? Got? You understand it? Your is again. Your is second person. Second person is changed according to the object. Object is me. So your is which position? P1 position. Means object also we change P1. Object also we change in P1 position. Object also we change P1 position. Means me of P1 is, where is me? This one P1 is my. So we use here my. Brother same we write brother. Again yourself is which position? Yes, second person. So second person according to object is here. So yourself is reflexive position. Yourself is reflexive position. Yourself is reflexive position. So me also we change reflexive. Me reflexive is myself. Myself. Like the full stop. Like this we can change. Like this we can change direct speech into the indirect speech. Again, to summarize it, first person given, then we change according to the subject. Outside inverted comma there is a reported verb, right? Reported verb. First he is for subject, me is object. Inside inverted comma, first person is given, we change according to the subject. Second person we change according to the object. So inside inverted comma, the pronoun where which position, that also we change same position. Example I have given to you. I think you all understand it. If you don't understand it, again just review it, rewatch it from this beginning, then you understand it very well. Now another third example. Please you can copy it. Another example. I will make you understand. Okay. I will make you understand this one. She, let's write, she said to me, I do my work myself. Okay, now this one is a direct speech, another one is indirect speech. How can we change? She said to me means C is subject, right? Me means object. Said to we change told. Let's see. She told me. To remove inverted comma, this one comma inverted comma, we use that. Why? Inside positive sentence. Now, I is first person. First person is changed according to the subject, right? This one is clear. I is first person. First person is changed according to the subject. Subject is here C. So I which position here? I is subject position, right? I is a subject position. So C subject position is same C. C subject position is a C. That's why we write here C. Okay. Do is verb 1. Verb 1 is given. We change verb 2. So did. My is here. My is first person. Change according to the subject, right? So my which position my? My is in which position? P1 position. Means C also we change in P1. My is P1 position. So we C also we change in P1. Why? Because my is a first person. First person is changed according to the subject. Subject here. And my is in P1 position. Means C also we change in P1. C also we change in P1. So P1 here. C is here. C P1 is her. So we write here her. Work, work. Myself here. Myself is first person. First person is changed according to the subject. Subject here C, right? Subject here C. Subject here C. Yes. Now myself is in which position? Reflexive position. Reflexive position means C reflexive position is herself. So we write here herself. I think you understand it very well. In pronoun, what position is given outside of the subject or object, same position we keep. If P1 position means subject also we change P1. If P2 position, subject or object also we change in P1. This. Okay, you understand it, I think that. Now, next one, I give you 2 minutes and one question. Please solve it. I give you 2 minutes. See, he said you are lucky. He said you are lucky. Okay, how can you solve this? You have 2 minutes. Time is started. Solve it. Write in a comment. Okay, 2 minutes you have. Okay, you can pause the video and solve it. After solving, re-watch this video. Okay, now let's solve it. He we use here, right? Said is given, we use here said. To remove comma inverted comma, we use that. You is what person? Second person. Second person is changed according to the object. Is here object? You is second person. Second person is changed according to the object. Is here given object? No, no object is given. Means if no object is here, me no. In that condition, in that time, we must think that inside the inverted comma, second person is given. Second person is given. You know that second person is changed according to the object. Means inside inverted comma, second person is given. Means we should write here me. Second person is given. If inverted comma inside second person is given and in a reported verb there isn't given me, means there is a hidden of me. There is a hidden of me. Okay, there is a hidden of me. So that you is given here, no object, means there must be the me. You should write me. If we are writing me, means to me is here, said to me. So we write here told me. You got it? Okay, I think you understand. no object is given, but inside inverted comma you is here. You means second person needed. Then we put to me, and like we told me, remove into comma inverted comma, we use here that. Okay, so you is second person. We change according to the object. The object is me here. You is in subject position, means me subject is I, right? R is mr, we use here was, where we use here was, l use ky lucky, full stop. Like this we can change it. Okay, now negative sentence is given. She said to me, comma inverted comma, she doesn't like my brother. Like this the question is, how can we change indirect speech? See, we change she, said to, told, me we use here me, right? To remove comma inverted comma we use that. She is here. She which person? Third person. Third person, no change, right? Same way, right? She, no change. First person given I, me, my, mine, myself is given, then we change according to subject. Second person you, yours, yourself is given, then we change object. If other third person is given, then no change. Very easy, right? So she doesn't is given here, means here are given doesn't. No, doesn't given, did not plus power we use. So did not, power here like. So my is here. My means first person, we change according to the subject. See, so my is which position? My is P1 position, means C P1 we change. C P1 is her. We write here her. Then brother, BROTHER, brother. Like this we can change it. Like this we can change it. Okay. In first video I have mentioned some of the rules. Person change, tense change, right? And first person change according to the subject. Second person also we change according to the object. Third person no change. And I have given some of the exercise to you. We have practiced, right? And this one is also we practice in negative sentences is given. Now if another example, if there is a given, I think this one is a you make clear for that and you understand it very well. I think so. Should I give more example to you? Okay. If inside the inverted comma there is a given ask no question, WH question, then how can we change? Okay, this one is also important. Ask no question is given, then how can we change? Negative we discuss, and statement or positive sentence also is given, then we solve the problem. If there is a given ask no question or WH word, then how can we change ask no question or WH word? Very well. Now ask no question. She said to me, are you okay? Question mark in inverted comma. Okay, how can we solve this one? Ask no questions. This one is the same rule. C we change C. Now if question mark is given, means it is asking the question. It is not said, it is asking the questions, right? That's why said to we use here asked. Said to we use here asked me, right? If question mark is given, we use said or said to. Whatever is given, then we change asked to asked. Okay, got it? Then okay, I said that to remove inverted comma what we use? If or whether. Why? Because this one is a ask no question. I have already said you that to remove inverted comma, if ask no question is given, then we use if or whether to remove the inverted comma, right? Then after R is given here, directly we can write R? No, we cannot write R. If or whether is given or WH word is given, WH word is given. Again I said, if to after removing inverted comma we use if or whether, right? In this situation, or WH word, sometimes the question is WH. I will give in another example in WH word. Now if or whether, if given, then after we use subject. If after we use subject. So what is subject here? You is subject here. Then subject after we use auxiliary verb. Then after, as the same process we write. Okay. So you is here. You for what person? Second person. We change according to the object. You is in a subject position, right? So me subject is I. Then are we change auxiliary verb. Are we use was here. His him are we use was where. Then okay, like this we can solve it. He asked me if I was okay. Now another example, WH question type of example. He said to me, what are you doing? What are you doing? We write here, he asked. Why he asked? Because question mark is here. We use if question mark. Then said or said to, we use asked me. To remove inverted comma we use WH word. Same what. If ask no question we use if or whether. WH question type we use WH word. Same. WH word after we use subject, right? WH word after we use subject. What is subject here? You is subject here. You is second person. We change according to the object. We change according to the object, right? So you is here object. Now you is what position? Yes, subject position. You is subject position. Me means me subject is I, we write here. Now auxiliary verb means are, we use was. Then after doing, 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 full stop. Like this we can change it. So you can do many of the practice. If you have any problem regarding the exercise, please